Hello, dear students. Welcome back to my new lecture regarding the NEET PYQs. Good evening, beta. So I guess we need to start now. So let's start. So in this particular lecture, we're going to solve PYQs from basic maths, vectors, and units and measurement. Okay. So this one is my first numerical, and it was asked back in I guess 2020 NEET PYQ. So this numerical is regarding the errors, right? So it said that the errors in the measurement which arise due to the unpredictable fluctuations in temperature and voltage supply. So we have four options and we have to, okay. So we know that if we have some sort of error which we don't know, which we don't know what the causes are, what are the causes, right? So those are what random errors. So random errors are those errors whose cause we don't know, whose causes are unknown, right? So it is here, no, it is written, it is unpredictable fluctuations. Unpredictable fluctuations. Personal errors means these are those errors which are related to a person, carelessness of a person, right? Least count error means a instrumental error, sort of an instrumental error, right? So if we have some damage in instrument, here option D, instrumental errors. But the correct option is option number C. It is a random error. It is a random error. Question number second. A metal wire has mass 0.4 plus minus 0.002 gram, and it is radius here, right? It is radius. Radius is 0.3 plus minus 0.001 millimeter, and length 5 plus minus 0.02 centimeter. The maximum possible percentage error in the measurement of density. So the error in mass is given to us, error in radius is given to us, error in length is given to us. But we have to find out what is the maximum possible error in the density. So beta, what is density? First of all, what is density? So density is mass per unit volume. Mass per unit volume. Clear? So mass is m. What is volume? What is the volume of a wire? What is the volume of a wire? I guess it is pi r square L. So I can write pi r square L. So now density is rho. So I have rho now. Rho equals to m divided by pi r square L. Now we need to find out the error in the density. So I can write change in density divided by density. Okay. So we have to find out the percentage error multiplied by 100 equals to delta m by m. into 100. Then pi is a constant term, so there is no error in pi. And I can write it also now. It is m plus 1 r minus 2 l minus 1. So now we know that I can take the 2 like this. It is plus 2 delta r by r plus 1 delta l by l. I will just multiply the whole term with 100 percentage, right? Multiplied by 100%. So what is delta m? Sir, it is 0.002. I can write 0.002 divided by m is 0.4. Yes. And 2 multiplied by delta r is given to us 0.001 divided by 0.3 plus delta l is 0.02 divided by 5 multiplied by, we have 100. Okay. Now 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. Now, so we have how much? It is 1 by 2 now. I can write this 1 by 2 plus it is 2 by 3 plus 2 by 5. Clear? Now I can write 3 ones are 3. It is 3 plus 4 by 6 plus 2 by 5. So I can write 4 plus 3, 7. 7 is 35 plus 12 divided by 30. So we have 7 4 by 30, right? It is approximately 1.6%. So option number B is my answer. This one is, I guess it is having some sort of error. So I will do this one now. So plane error and solid angle have, we know that angles have their units, radian and sterdian, but the angles don't have any sort of dimensions. Why? Because angle is known as, we know that arc length, that is S equals to radius, that is R into angle. So I can write angle is equals to arc length. It is basically a length, right? It is basically a length. So I can write here, so it is a length divided by radius. Length is L, radius is L. So I get what? M0, L0, T0. So they don't have any kind of dimension, but they do possess a unit, right? So unit is but no dimensions. Option number A. Okay. Next question. The area of a rectangular field. So we have a rectangular field. Length is given to us 55.3 meter and breadth is given to be 25 meter. After rounding off, the value for correct significant digits is clear. So we had to basically multiply these two, right? So we have 25 multiplied by 55.3. Look, here we have two significant figure. Here we have three significant figure. If you know the rules of significant figures, now when you are multiplying these two, okay, so the answer will possess the least sort of significant figure. That means two significant figure. Here we have three significant figure. Here we have 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 2. So here we have how many? Two significant figure. That means this one is my answer. Next question is all about the matching, right? So what we have now, we have gravitational constant, that is G. We have gravitational potential energy, that is U, that is G mm by R. We have gravitational potential, that is V equals to U by M, right? So we have gravitational intensity, that is force by mass. So look now how we can do it now. Look, first of all, we have gravitational constant G. So can I write like here, sir, F is equals to G m1 m2 by r square. So therefore I can write G equals to F. What is F? It is mLT minus 2. Then we have r square, that means it is L square, whole divided by m mass, that is m square, mass square, right? Clear? So we have now, look, it is 1, 2, so I can write m minus 1. L2, it is L3, T minus 2. First option is equal to m minus 1 L2. Okay, it's 2, right? So 2, that means this one is wrong now. We have to find now B. B, it is gravitational potential energy. Gravitational potential energy, it is U, and it is G m1 m2 by r. What is G? So G is m minus 1 L3 T minus 2. Then I have mass, that is m2 whole divided by, it is L. Clear? So I guess I have m1. So I have m1 now. Wait, it is m1, m1, it's cancel out. L3, then 1, that is, it is L2, T minus 2. That is 4 1, right? It is 4 1. This one. Uh, this one cancel out. Now we have to find out from B to B and C. How we can do it now? So gravitational potential, we have to find out for the gravitational potential. So gravitational potential is equals to by m, right? It is V, that is U by m. So we have to basically, it is L2 T minus 2 only. That is 1. So I think option B is the correct option. Option B. Yes. Now next numerical, we have, if force, acceleration, and time are chosen as the fundamental physical quantities, find the dimensions of energy. So it is given to us, we have to find out the dimensions of energy. But energy, it depends on force, acceleration, and time. So energy, we know it is mL2T minus 2. Force is mLT minus 2. Acceleration is LT minus 2. Then we have time T C. So now MA, then we have only here A, right? It is MA only. So I can write MA only. L is A plus B. L is A plus B. T is equals to minus 2A minus 2B plus C. Here it is M1 L2 T minus 2. Now compare this kind of powers. So I guess A equals to 1. And A plus B is given to be 2. Minus 2A minus 2B plus C is given to be minus 2. If A is 1, so I will put here 1. So it is 1 plus B equals to 2. I guess B is also equals to 1. It is minus 2 into 1 minus 2 into 1 plus C equals to minus 2. Minus 2 minus 2 is minus 4, right? It's minus 4 plus C equals to minus 2. So I can write C came out to be minus 2 plus 4. C came out to be 2. So we have 1, 1, 2. 1 here, what we have? Here 1, 1, 1, minus 1, no. 1, minus 1, 1, no. 1, 1, 1, no. 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, right. This is the correct option, option number D. This is how we can find out, now. We have to just put least sort of energy to get these things done. Now, next numerical from the same segment, what we have now, the energy and the G represent denotes energy and gravitational constant. Then E by G has dimensions of. We have to just take the ratio of these dimensions. So first of all, we have to do what? Dimensional formula of E divided by the dimensional formula of G. What is the dimensional formula of E? So it is mLT minus 2. So ml2 t minus 2. What is the dimensional formula of G? We just got it now. It was m minus 1 L3 t minus 2, I guess. So t cancel out. So we got m2 L minus 1 t0. This is the correct option, m2. So m2, which one is getting it? I think option number C. Yeah, option number C is correct option. Moving ahead, we have now next numerical from the screw gauge. So we have a screw gauge gives the following reading when used to measure the diameter of a wire. Main scale reading. Okay, so main scale reading is okay. So the circular scale reading, we have these things are given to us. 52 divisions, given that 1 mm on the main scale corresponding to 100 divisions, right? On the circular scale, the diameter of the wire from the above data is. So we know that what we need to write, it is main scale reading least count plus circular scale reading. I think it is 0 given to us. What is least count? It is 1 mm, right? 1 divided by total number of divisions. It is 100 plus what is circular scale reading? It is 52 divisions. It is not 1. So we have to multiply it by 52. Okay, so what we have now? So I guess we got 52 divided by 100. It is 0.52 mm. The answer is in centimeters, so we can write 0.052 centimeter. So 0.052. Option B is the correct option. Now next one. Okay, so this one is for the vectors. In the product F equals to QV cross B, QV multiplied by BI cap plus BJ cap plus B naught K cap, right? The Q is given to be 1 and the V is given to be 2I cap plus 4J cap plus 6K cap, and force is given to be 4I cap minus 20J cap plus 12K cap. What will be the complete expression for B? So we have to find out these values. Now we have to find out these values. How we can do it? Let's proceed now this numerical. Okay, so what is F? So I can do like this now. F is given to be 4I cap. I can write 4I cap minus 20J cap plus 12K cap. Q is 1. There is no need to write this Q. And what is V cross B? V cross B, I will do the dot cross product of V cross B. I this V cross B. So I can write 2, 4, 6, B, B naught. It will look like this now. So I can write this I cap. Then we have 4B naught minus 6B minus J. We have 2B naught minus 6B. Then plus K. We have 2B minus 4B. Okay, so here we have 4I cap minus 20J cap plus 12K cap. So here I cap. So I can write now from this one, I can write 4B naught minus 6B, it is equal to 4, first equation. Second one, I can write 2B naught minus 6B equals to, it's 20, second equation. So 2B minus 4B, that is minus 2. So I can write 12K cap is equals to minus 2B, third one. So I think from this one I can write B came out to be minus 12 by 2, that means 6. So B is equal to minus 6. If B is minus 6, I can take this one now. Anyone I can take now. 4B naught minus 6, it is minus 6 equals to 4. It is 4B naught plus 36 equals to 4. I can write 4B naught equals to 4 minus 36. So 4B naught, I will get here, it is minus 32. So B naught equals to minus 32 by 4. I guess it is 8, minus 8. Now B naught is 8, B is minus 6. So from these options, we have to find out the answer. Look, this is B, B naught, but B is minus 6. No, option wrong. B is minus 6, wrong, wrong. I think option D is correct. Yes, look now. B minus 6, B minus 6, B naught minus 8. Right? These are my answers. So we can get it now in this way, now done. Now, next numerical. The energy required to break one bond in a DNA equals is 10 to power minus 20 joules. So we have to convert joule into the electron volt. Done. We have to convert joule into the electron volt. How we can do it now? We know that 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 joule equals to 1 electron volt. So I can write 1 joule equals to 1 divided by 1.6 10 to power minus 19 joule. So what is 10 to power minus 20 joule equals to 1 divided by 1.6 10 to the power minus 19 joule multiplied by 10 to the power minus 20. So I can write 1 divided by 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 plus 20. So I will get 1 divided by 1.6 into 10 to the power 1. So it is equals to 1 divided by 16, which came out to be 0.06. Yeah, option number A is correct. 0.06, 0.06, right? Okay, and next one. Next one is from the significant figures. So we have to subtract two significant figures, right? So we don't need to do the exact sort of subtraction. No, we have to just recall the rules that we use it to remember in our 11th class, right? Because it's significant figures. If we need to just subtract two significant figures, so we have to look towards these two numbers, and we have to find out where we have least numbers of the decimal point. Here we have two. Here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, right? So the answer will contain only 2 after the decimal place. Look here. Here we have 3. No, wrong answer. 1, no, wrong answer. 1, 2, 3, 4, no, wrong answer. 1, 2. That's option number D. Correct option. Within 3 seconds now you can do it. Now, one more numerical from the screw gauge. A screw gauge has a least count. So least count is given to be 0.01 mm, and there are 50 divisions in its circular scale. The pitch of this screw gauge is, so we have to find out it is pitch, right? We have to find out it is pitch. So what we know now, we knew that least count is equals to pitch divided by number of divisions. Number of divisions. So what do we need to find? Sir, pitch. So pitch equals to least count multiplied by number of divisions. What is least count? Sir, it is 0.01. It is 50. I guess my answer would be 0.5 mm. Which one now? Option number A. Yeah, option number is correct. So dimensions of citrus are dimensions of citrus. What is citrus now? What is citrus? Sir, citrus is equals to force per unit area. We know it now. So what is force? Sir, it is MLT minus 2. What is area? Area is L2. So I can write M1 L1 T minus 2. It is L minus 2. So I can write M1 L1 minus 2 T minus 2. That is M1 L minus 1 T minus 2. Which one is matching with this option? M1 L0, no. M1 L minus 1 T. I think I don't see wrong, right? Because there is no option matching with the right. So I guess there is a correction. It is here minus 2. This one is correct option. Option number B. Yeah. So we have now one from the errors. In an experiment, the percentage of error occurred in the measurement of physical quantities A, B, C, D are 1%, 2%, 3%, 4%, respectively. Then the maximum percentage error in the measurement of X, where X is given some expression, that is A square B 1 by 2 C 1 by 3 D cube, right? So I will simplify this one now. First of all, I will simplify this one now. So it is given to be X equals to A square B 1 by 2, it is C 1 by 3, then D cube. So I will just make it simple now. It is A square B 1 by 2 C minus 1 by 3 D minus 3. So error delta X by X, we have to find it percentage, no? Multiplied by 100, multiplied with 100. 1 second. Here we have what? 100 equals to, I can write 2 delta A upon A multiplied by 100 percentage, right? Plus 1 by 2, it is delta B by B, it is error in B by B multiplied by 100% plus 1 by 3 delta C by C multiplied by 100% plus 3 delta D by D into 100. So it is 2. What is delta? What is this percentage? Again, this 1. I can write this 1% is given to me. Plus it is 1 by 2 and it is given to be 2% plus 1 by 3, then 3% plus 3 into 4%. 2 2 cancel out, 3 3 cancel out. So we have 2% plus 1% plus 1% plus 12%. 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So we have 16% answer. So option number A is correct. Option number A is correct. One more numerical from the screw gauge, and it gives us a student measured the diameter of a ball, steel ball, using a screw gauge of least count. So what is given to us? A least count. So I can write here least count, right? So look now, what is given to us? A least count. Least count is given to be 0.001 centimeter. The main scale reading. So I can write MSR, this main scale reading, and it is given to be 5 mm. 5 mm, that means it is 0.5 centimeter. And 0 of circular scale division coincide with 25 divisions above the reference line. Clear? So what is it? It's circular scale reading, right? This circular scale reading is given to be how much? It is 25 divisions. Okay. And if screw gauge has a 0 error, so 0 error is given to be my 0 error, it is equals to minus 0.004 centimeter. So what will be it is reading? My reading would be main scale reading plus circular scale reading into least count minus 0 error. This one is my equation by which I will get the reading of the screw gauge. So what is main scale reading? So it is given to be 0.5 centimeter. So circular scale reading is given to be 25. Least count is 0.001. Minus 0 is given to be minus 0.004. So I can write like 0.5 plus 25 multiplied with 0.001 plus 0.004. So it is 0.5 plus 0.025 plus 0.004. So 549. So it is 9. Then we have 20. It is 2. Then we have 5. It is 5.0. 0.5 to 9. 0.5 to 9. I think option D. Yeah, option D is correct answer. Okay, one more. A physical quantity of a dimensions of length that can be formed out of C, G, and E square by 4 pi epsilon naught is. Okay. So we have to derive basically now application of our dimension analysis. So how we can derive it now? So it's stated that only length. So length is proportional to my C power A, G power B, and we have what? It is E square upon 4 pi epsilon naught power C. How we can get it now? So I can write it is M0 L1 T0 equals to what is C? C speed of light. The speed that is L T minus 1 power A. What is G? It would be M minus 1 L3 T minus 2B. E, what is E? Is a charge, right? E is charge. So first of all, I need to derive the dimensions of charge, that is E square, then epsilon naught, then I can just simplify it and put the values here, right? So 1 second, I need to derive these things now. E square by epsilon naught, okay? I will derive these things here. E square by epsilon naught. So what is E? That is charge. Charge equals to current into time. So I can write A square T square whole divided by. What is epsilon naught? We know that F is equals to K Q1 Q2 by R square. So F is equals to 1 over 4 pi epsilon naught Q1 Q2 by R square. So epsilon naught came out to be 1 divided by F is Q1 Q2 by R square. So 1 divided by what is F? It is MLT minus 2 charge in charge square, right? So I can write the charge square here, right? E square only. E square by it will be L square. I can take it here now. So it will become now epsilon naught divided by E square. It would be equals to 1 divided by MLQT minus 2. So I need it is reciprocal. So I will get here ML cube T minus 2. It is ML cube T minus 2. ML cube T minus 2, right? ML cube T minus 2. I'll put the values here now. It is ML cube T minus 2 power C. Just simplify it. M minus B. So I have here M minus B plus C. Then L A plus 3B plus here I have 3C, then T minus A minus 2B minus 2C. On the left hand side, I have M0 L1 T0. Now equate these two things. So I will get minus B plus C came out to be 0. That means C is equals to B. 1. So here I have A plus 3B plus 3C equals to 1. Second equation. Third will be minus A minus 2B minus 2C came out to be 0. 3 equations. I will put here C. So A came out to be plus 3. B is equals to, I can B now, plus 3C. 3C is equals to B. I can have B equals to 1. So A came out to be A plus 6. It is 6B equals to 1. So A is equals to 1 minus 6B. Put these values in this one. What is A? Is minus A. A is equals to 1 minus 6B minus 2B minus 2. What is C? C is also B equals to 0. So I have 1 minus 1 plus 6B minus 2B, 2 to 4, it is 4B equals to 0. I have here 6B minus 4B, that is 2B, it is 2B equals to 1. So B came out to be 1 by 2. So B is 1 by 2, C is also 1 by 2, 1 by 2. What is A? A is equals to 1 minus 6 into 1 by 2, 2 ones are 2, 2 threes are 6. So A came out to be minus 2. A is minus 2. A is minus 2. That is reciprocal of this, right? So I can do this one now. Look. So L proportional, it is 1 by C square G is power B. G is B. B is equals to 1 by 2. So it's 1 by 2. So I can write it G like this. G 1 by 2. Then we have the whole E square divided by 4 pi epsilon naught is also 1 by 2. I can take a root like this. Is option 1 correct? Is no. Option 2 correct? No. Option C, yes. Yes. Option C is correct. Right? It is matching with this one. That's how we can do it. Next numerical. If the magnitude of sum of two vectors is equal to the magnitude of difference of the two vectors, the angle between the two vectors. How we can do it now? Look. Sum equals to the difference. What is sum? It is a square plus b square plus twice ab cos theta. What is difference? Under root of a square plus b square minus 2ab cos theta. Root cancel out. I have a square plus b square plus twice ab cos theta equals to a square plus b square minus twice ab cos theta. B cancel out, a cancel out, so I have 4 times ab cos theta equals to 0. 4 cannot be equals to 0. Neither a cannot be equals to 0, b cannot be equals to 0. Then only cos theta can be equals to 0. So theta is equals to 90 degree. So my answer is which one? Option B, 90 degree. Next numerical, Planck's constant h. So we can let's show the different one now. I will just give you some different way by which you can do this numerical in a very quick way. So we have Planck's constant h, speed of light, and gravitational constant. So what is Planck's constant? So we E equals to h nu, or E equals to h by t. So h equals to E multiplied by t. What is E? So energy. It is ml2t minus 2. Then we have t. So h came out to be dimensional formula of Planck's constant. It came out to be ml2t minus 1. Right? Then we have speed of light in vacuum c. So what is c now? So c is lt minus 1. G, what is the gravitational constant is G. So G is equals to m minus 1 L3, then T minus 2. So we need to get what? Dimensions of only length. So we have to cancel out all the different quantities, that is M and T. How we can get it? Look, here we have M, we have M. So it is only possible when H and G are on the same side. That is possible. H and G, yeah, this one can be possible. H by G not possible. G no possible. H G this is possible. We have two options now. Now what do we have now? Look now, no? So we have now two things done. That is ml2t minus 1. That G. What is G? G is equals to that m minus 1 L3t minus 2. So cancel out. We have now L times 5 t minus 3. Clear? So now how we can get it now? So this one is done. If I take root, it is 5 by 2, then 3 by 2. This is not possible. So I will take now here. I will take now C. C is L. It is LT minus 1. I need to cancel this one. It is if I can take a root. No, root is compulsory. Now root is, I have to take root. It is 5 by 2 now. It is 3 by 2 now. So how we can do 5 by 2 or 3 by 2? So how 3 by 2 can cancel out now? If denominator I have 3 by 2, what can I do? I will take, sir, multiply by 3 by 2. It is L 5 by 2. Then we have t minus 3 by 2 whole divided by it is L 3 by 2. Then t minus 3 by 2. It's cancel out. So we have now L 5 by 2. Then L minus 3 by 2. So I can write it is equals to L 2 common. It is 5 by minus 3. So we have L 2 by 2. That is only L is my answer. I guess option number, yeah, option number D is the answer, right? One more way to get it, and a shortcut way. If energy, velocity, and time are chosen as the fundamental quantities, the dimensional formula of surface tension. What is first of what is surface tension? What is surface tension? So surface tension is equals to force per unit length, right? So I can write here force. Force is ml t minus 2 by length is L. So cancel out. So I have m t minus 2 only. And this is equals to energy. What is energy, sir? It is ml2 t minus 2 power a. And what we have, sir? Velocity. What is velocity? lt minus 1 power b. Time is tc. Now I have m1 L0 t minus 2. Here we have m a. Okay, L2a plus b. T is minus 2a minus b plus c. Make the equation now. A is 1. First of all, a is 1. Okay, great. Then it is 2a plus b equals to 0. So I can write this 2 multiplied by 1 plus b equals to 0. B came out to be minus 2. It is minus 2. What is a is 1 minus 2? It is minus 2, no? Minus 2 and plus c equals to 0. No, it is not 0, it's minus 2 here. So here what we have? Minus 2. Minus 2 plus c equals to minus 2. Cancel out to c came out to be minus 2. So we have 1 minus 2 minus 2. No, 1 minus 2 minus 1. Option D. Yeah, option D is matching with option 1 minus 2 minus 2. 1 minus 2 minus 2. Yeah, that is option. Next numerical, if force, velocity, and time are taken as a fundamental unit, the dimensions of mass are. Okay. So what are the dimensions of mass are? So mass m1 L0 T0 equals to force. What is force? It is mlt minus 2 power a. Velocity is lt minus 1 power b. Time is t power c, right? So I can write that it is ma only la plus b t minus 2a minus it's minus 2a whatever ma la plus b t minus 2a minus b plus c. So I can write the equation now. A equals to 1 first of all. So a plus b equals to 0. Third one is minus 2a minus b plus c equals to 0. So if a is 0, so I think b equals to minus 1. B is minus 1. So I can write minus 2 into 1 minus 1 plus c equals to 0. It is minus 2 plus 1 plus c equals to 0. So I guess it is minus 1 now. Minus 1 plus c equals to 0. C came out to be 1 only. It is 1 minus 1 1. 1 minus 1 1. No. 1 minus 1 1. Okay, option C. Option B, sorry. 1 minus 1 1. Yeah, option B is correct. Option B is correct. One more. Okay. From the errors. In an experiment, 4 quantities A, B, C, and D are measured with percentage error 1%, 2, 3, 4. So quantity P is calculated as follow. Okay. So how we can get it? Easy. It is delta P by P into 100% equals to which 3 times delta A by A into 100. Then we have 2 times delta B by B into 100 plus delta C by C plus delta D by D. Look, it is 3. So the error in A is equals to how many? 1%. Okay, 1% plus 2. Error in B is 2%. Perfect. Plus C is 3% and D is 4%. So I get it is 3% plus 4% plus 3 plus 4. I think 14%. Option A is correct. Option A. Option A is correct. Is my answer. Okay, the dimensions of permittivity and permeability minus 1 by 2. So I can write it is 1 by permittivity permeability root. I know it is the speed of light c now. That is LT minus 1. Famous equation. LT minus 1. Where option B is correct. If the dimensions of a physical quantity are given A, B, C, then a physical quantity is with dimension. Okay. Force. Look, what is the dimensional formula for force? Sir, force is equals to M1 L1 T minus 2. Okay. Here A is 1. Here, now this one. A is 0. A is 1. No, this one is not correct. Pressure. Pressure is force per unit area. Force is MLT minus 2 divided by area is L square. So I can write it is M1 L minus 1 T minus 2. 1 minus 1 2. Yeah, this is correct. Option B is correct. Now option C. Velocity. Velocity is LT minus 1. That means mass is 0. The A is 0. So this is wrong. So as D is wrong. The option B is correct. The same way, if the error in the measurement of a radius of a sphere is 2%, then the error in the determination of volume. So we have to find out now error in the volume. First of all, what is volume? Sir, volume is equals to 4 by 3 pi r cube. 4 by 3 constant, no error. Pi constant, no error. So I can write delta V by V into 100 came out to be 3 times delta R by R into 100. So 3 delta R is given to be 2%, right? It is 6%. Answer is my 6%. Easy. Which two of the following five physical parameters have the same dimensions? Energy density 1 by 2 citrus into citrane. We know this equation equals to Young's modulus, right? Refractive index, no. Dimensionless. Dielectric constant, no. It is dimensionless, right? And magnetic field B. This new not, right? I1, I2 divided by 2R. It is different now. So I can use this one now. We know it is the energy density and the Young's modulus. It is AD. AD, what is AD? Option A. Okay, dimension of resistance. Okay, in an electrical circuit, in terms of dimension of mass, length, and time, and of current would be okay. So we know that V is equals to I into R. So I came out to be V by no. Totally, we have to find out R, no? Yeah, so I can write here. So R came out to be V by I. I cannot be work done by charge into I. Work done is force into displacement divided by charge. Charge is current into time. So I into T multiplied by I. Force into it will be ml2t minus 2 divided by I square into T. So I can write it is ml2t minus 3I minus 2. I guess ml2t minus 3I minus 2. Right? Option B. Option B is correct. No, option B is not correct. No, option B is not correct. Option A is correct. Option A is correct. Now we have the ratio of dimension of Planck's constant and that of the moment of inertia. Okay. Is the dimension of which quantity? Look, what is Planck's constant? Sir, E equals to h nu or h by t. So h came out to be energy, that is ml2t minus 2 multiplied by time, that is t. So I guess it came out to be ml2t minus 1. Then we have what? Moment of inertia. It would be mr square. M is mass m, L is L square only, right? Take this ratio. So it is m h by I. It is ml square t minus 1 whole divided by ml square. Cancel out. So we have t inverse. So I think it is frequency, right? So option number D, frequency, is my correct answer. Okay, this one is a very old one now. It is not important one. This is important. Dimension of we done it a couple of times now. It is D. M minus 1 L3 T minus 2. Okay. So in this lecture, we discussed, I guess, 20 years NEET PYQs, but except 2024 NEET people. Okay, this will we will complete in the next phase, right? In the next phase. Next phase. Thank you and all the best, and bye.